For some reason, it stopped recording and it did it at 11 minutes. So, but I was right here when it stopped recording. Anyways, so what you're going to do is then you're going to go through the last steps. I helped you through step 1 and step 2. You have that 5-step handout. I forgot to grab a copy before I came home this evening, so I don't have a visual one. I'm talking about this is the completed notes that I have from my screen, but I tried to go over the 5 steps, and this didn't come out very well word-wise on my color copy of my notes from the screen on the computer. But you guys have these 5 steps on your half sheet of paper, okay? But this, what we are doing here, getting the grams of the hydrate, grams of the dry compound, and then subtracting the 2 to get the grams of water. That's steps 1 and 2. So then you want to do steps 3, 4, and 5. 3 and 4 is where you're taking grams to moles of each compound, grams to moles of this, grams to moles of that, and then you're going to do step 5, which is the ratio. Okay, so you're going to be doing this process, and you're going to be also doing it on 15 because it's already written out as percentages, so you don't have to do all this beginning stuff. Okay, so you're going to do 59.5%, which actually is the same as grams. So I'm just going to change that percent to a gram, and that's of chromium nitrate. And then also we have 40% water. So you guys need to go through and figure out the molar mass of chromium nitrate, take the mass divided by its molar mass to get the moles of chromium nitrate. So your next step is to get your grams to moles of the dry compounds, and then you do grams to moles of just water. But you got to get the molar mass of barium chloride. You got to get the molar mass of chromium nitrate. So I've got it kind of set up here, but you got to add up those numbers to get the molar masses. You want to take your grams to moles by dividing by their molar mass, then divide the water moles by the grams of the dry compound. Do the same for number 16. You have 76.9 grams of calcium sulfite, and you have 23.1 grams of water. Okay, this is the same, percents are the same as grams. We're just going to assume we have 100 grams of it. So you guys are going to do steps 3 and 4, taking grams to moles, and then doing step 5. Practice this with 14, 15, and 16 for homework, okay? I'm going to go ahead and end this video now. Possibly was going to get the two connected or just share these two as separate videos. It just got broken up, so I'm sorry about that. But we're going to take a look at 13, and then I didn't get a chance to go over 11, okay? But don't forget with 11, you got to take step 1 and 2. You've got 2 grams of iron. So go ahead and flip your page around. I am going to get this started for you. Iron chloride as a hydrate. We don't know what the H, how many waters. And then we have 1.27 grams of just iron chloride. So you want to make sure you subtract it to get your grams of water. Okay, that's steps 1 and 2. Okay, and then you're going to take your grams of iron chloride, that's the dry form, to moles. And then you're going to take your grams of water to moles. That's going to be your step 3 and 4. So you got to get the molar mass of iron chloride. You got to get iron and 2 chlorines. Okay, so do the subtraction. That's step 2. Then take your grams to moles by dividing by molar masses of each, and then divide and do the ratio last. Okay, anyways, try and do 11 and 14, 15, 16, get those done, even 12 as well. Try to get 12 done. And then the next video I'm going to make is going to help you with 13, and then how to do the lab. So we're going to do the next video. We're going to work on helping you get the lab done. Okay. So we'll talk to you guys later.